If it shows 50, then that must be the right value still. Yep, that proves the point, I think. I didn't even need to push it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. The large-legged man still dies. Let's hope this one's better anyway.
Okay, there we go.
You've lost his head.
Kick the tripod as well.
Oh, sorry.
That was fine with. Okay, there you go. Better. Nearly.
The bubble wrap.
No, experiment 15 without the bubble wrap in 3, 2, 1.
Rather better, but
it's
still not comfortable, I think, for whoever that is.
It's very low in the back of the water, isn't it?
The draft is, well, that's lower than I predicted it would be, because on scale, that should be the draft, really.
Oh, sure.
Whereas you have to push it down like that to make it...
Okay.
Okay.
Oops, that looks dodgy.
It's very, very barely... Yeah, gone. Yeah, okay. And if I put the legs all the way along the bottom...
Yes.
Marginally better. But it's interesting that that's actually performed better than the shallow one that I've done.
Maybe handle.
If I push that down, that is actually very low in the water. But I'll try an even weight distribution as well. Oh, that's got loads of water in it. The most conservative weight distribution is still a bit dodgy, I think. Well, I'll try that. Okay, central weight distribution in the shallow one.
Oh, I'm going to zoom
Rather sensible.
I'll zoom in on that one for that.
Yeah. But that still makes me think that if we have a row of these, then this is going to be the best shape.
And you sort of have the water line at the join there, which is interesting.
Yeah, well, I think the fact that this is obviously buoyant, that's probably got something to do with that as well, because it seems to be almost exactly there.
Yeah.
If I try and organise these as if it was an even distribution, I think that still proves the stability is far better. Yeah, that's perfect. That's how you want a boat to be.
Yeah.
So the waves
It can take the roll, can't it? Yeah.
Whereas that one would just be... Yeah, how do they... What we haven't videoed is how they do without anyone in them as well.
Yeah.
The real boat size emulation. How does that float? That's more like it. I mean, if we are going to... That's probably a semi-stable design anyway.
You can put the people in.
Yeah. We'll see what happens if there's someone sitting in this one now.
No, that's true, because there's support behind it.
this would be ideal, that we don't actually have to remake any sections. We just make a shallow section
shallower ones,
as well. Yeah, I think the good section is making it up to the crap one.
So you're actually going to get stability that way, aren't you?
I'm just going to take it out and put some rubber bands on it as well. Still, even if he moves his head, if you're actually just looking over the side of the boat, it's going to go over.
You're all off to stick very still.
Yeah, it's still dodgy with a deep draft.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even if I remove the head, it's not brilliant. Yeah. Pretty good. Even better, I think.
Yeah.
How about the other configuration? To take it to the logical extreme. Awkward already. Yeah, like that. You know, it's always the fat section which is causing problems. Yeah.
I think you proved the point.